morning, Kasturians. We have studied about the division Agathostomata. Now we are going to study another division, that is Gnathostomata and its superclass Tetrapoda. The superclass Tetrapoda consists of all these classes. Classes amphibia, reptiles, aves and mammals. So the class amphibia consists of the organisms whose life cycle has two phases. One is the adult phase, and before the adult phase they are having larva stage. The larva stage is aquatic while the adult is terrestrial. They required water for breeding, and the fertilization takes place outside the body, so the fertilization is external kind. They have two pair of limbs. The body is divided into head, trunk, and no neck is present. Respiration takes place by moist skin, and they do not have scales as present in fishes. The tympanum replaces the ear and it is used for hearing. The alimentary canal, urinary and reproductive tract open into a common chamber called cloaca, which opens to the exterior environment. The heart of the amphibian is three-chambered heart. It has two auricle and one ventricle. They are cold-blooded animals. Double occipital, cardial and 10 pair of chronicle nerves are present. Respiration in Tepotes is by gills, while in adult it takes place through the skin and lungs. Sexes are separate. That means male and female are different, and examples of amphibians are toad, frog, salamander and limbless amphibian. This is an amphibian. This is the structure of a frog, and some major amphibian we have are these. The another class is reptilian. They are the crawling animal. The body is covered with dry, confined skin that contains epidermal scales. Post-anal tail is present. No external ear opening. Two pair of limbs with 5 digits are present. They are also cold-blooded animals. They have three-chambered heart. Carnivorous in mode of nutrition. Snakes, lizards shed their scales as shin cast, and the fertilization takes place internally. And the example of reptilian is turtle, lizards, snakes, crocodile and tortoise. These all are reptiles. Another class is aves. Aves consist of birds. Streamlined body. Body has head, trunk and pair of limbs. Body is covered with feathers. Forelimb is converted into feathers. Bone is hollow, and they are warm-blooded animals, warm-blooded organisms. They have 4-chambered heart, no teeth in the beak. Alimentary canal has cropped and gizzard. Sharp eyesight, oil gland at the base of the tail, and they are oviparous. That means they lay eggs. And the example of aves are crow, parrot, owl, birds. The last class we are having is mammalia. They are found in a variety of habitats. Human beings belong to this class. They produce milk through mammary glands. Skin has hair. External ear is present. Teeth are present, and the heart is 4-chambered. Diaphragm divide body cavity into upper chest and the lower chest. And the examples of mammals are blue whale, monkey, eves. Eves are These all are the examples of mammals. Chapter completed. Thank you.